Review hub. Brand name XSDTS, model number DQ5, power supply, built-in rechargeable battery, protection level IP68, suitable for Mortise 6085, fit door thickness 35 to 70 centimeters, app name Tuya, suitable door type steel door, wooden door, glass door, brass door, stainless steel door, other, included components, list, special features, built-in doorbell, built-in camera, finish type, polished, doorknob function, biometric, key and keypad, connectivity, ways to unlock, face recognition, app, mechanical keys, card, Wi-Fi, other, password, fingerprint, material, aluminum alloy, handle direction, direction reversible, color, black, material, aluminum alloy, charging, support USB charge, 7 national languages, power source, built-in rechargeable battery, built-in rechargeable battery, smart home platform, other, working voltage, built-in rechargeable lithium battery, handle direction, left open and right open all compatible, unlock method, fingerprint, password, IC card, mechanical key, app, palm vein, suit for door type, aluminum glass door, glass sliding, wooden, outdoor pull push sliding door, high concern chemical, none, certification, none, mainland China.
I don't think I can take this anymore. I might just break all the way hard.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.